full circuit he's doing. So we opened it up, you may have seen on the screen before they opened it up. It's now 3 points. He's just done a 1:15.4. He has already smashed the lap record. Nearly 4 seconds quicker, so that's demolished. So not just broken. So they can hear, folks. We give him a round of applause to start with. That is a smash record right there. You are witnessing history right here in front of you. That thing's got a bit of a wiggle on, I've got to be honest.
The other thing we need to pay attention to, the fact that this is the first time a Formula 1 car has been in Sydney. In a modern era, we have not had cars. It's never been developed for the Grand Prix. He's in it for the first time.
Now, another first-year experience, folks. I'm going to shut up so we can listen to this thing and head around the track. As we said, 3.95 kilometre circuit now. It's the full circuit. Let's watch and listen to Mark Webber in the F7. He's really on it now, I've got to say. We're looking at some of the times here, some of the splits, and he is really on it.
Your hope is going flat. And listen for the lift at turn 1. It should be flat. Absolutely amazing.
He's just done a 1:15.4, so he's taken another 10th off it.
I think he's rolled out of that, so he's going to come back into the pits, I assume. So, unfortunately, the Red Bull team, half of the team is actually at Albert Park Circuit at the moment.